Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. Today what we're going to be making is oregano oil. Now let me start off, we're no doctors, nothing to do with the medical field. This is just something you all do your own homework on. We're just going to tell you a couple of the ways you can make your oregano oil. Go to the store, buy some oregano. We've got 2 jars poured down into this jar here. And what we'll do, you'll need a carrier oil, and we're going to be using olive oil. Just take that, pour in over top of your oregano. Now, there's a quick way and a slower way. I'll probably be messing up here in just a minute. I'll probably be breaking one of Carolyn's jars. The one way, after you pour this in, you've got water over there boiling. You'll turn the stove off, set this jar down in it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Get it out, set it in a sunny location for 2 weeks. Then we'll strain out the oregano out of it. Once again, we're no doctors or anything there, but do your own homework. You can read on there. It says that it's possibly one of the strongest natural antibiotics. I'll have a list of some of the stuff that we've seen on the internet and people talking. We'll have that on the video where you all can read. The other way, same situation here. Seal it up, place it in a dark location for 6 weeks, get it out, drain it, and same way. Just you've got a faster way and a slower way. We may get to see one of Carolyn's jars break over here. Once you get it in there, you can take your stick and just sort of stir it around a little bit there, or just shake it. Now, let's take it over here and we'll stick it in the water and see if it blows up, cracks, or what's it do. Now I've turned the stove off now. Carolyn took and run hot water over this to help try to keep it from busting. Now we'll just let that sit there and cool, or cool, Doug. Warm up, and then we'll let it sit there for 10 minutes, and then we'll take it out. Then what we'll do, we'll set it up in the windowsill, and for 10 days, every day, just give it a little shake. And then after 10 days, you can strain it out. But that's all there is to it, folks. Maybe we lucked out, maybe it didn't bust. Alright. But no, we've got a few little things like this here. This is just a short video. Anytime that we can find something that it may help you all out, help us out and you out, we'll let you know about it. A lot of you probably already know about this here. There's some out there, I'm sure they don't. But like I said, do your own homework. And I'll have some pictures of what the claims are on there. And just like I said, it's easy to make. And the one thing I seen, I'm bad with earaches. And it said there about taking, after you get it made, like twice a day, 2 drops in your ear, and it would help with earache. If that'll help with my earaches like that there, it'll be worth its weight in gold right there. But like I said, I'll have some video on there, or pictures where you can see. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. Hope y'all have a great week. Thank y'all for watching.